Hi there, this is Lucas from UQArmy. In this video, we'll go over a simple yet powerful type of QR code, the download file QR code. Doc, PDF, MP3, MP4, we all know what these types of files are for, and we also know that in order to access one of them online, we need a link. But what if you could download one instantly? Well, that's why the download file QR code was created. You can upload any type of file to it, and when people scan it, they will be able to download it to their devices. You may want your target audience to view a catalog, read your book, watch a trailer, or listen to a song. All of these uses are available with the download file QR code. Also, you can replace the file uploaded if needed, since it is a dynamic QR code. If you want to create a download file QR code, all you need to do is register to UQArmy, click Create QR, and select the type. It's as simple as that. Well, that's it for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like, share it with your colleagues, leave us your comments or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about QR codes. See you later and take care.